In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Teespring to Shopify, a simple yet powerful integration that will enhance your e-commerce capabilities and streamline your sales process. First, make sure you're logged into your Teespring account. This is crucial because you'll need access to your dashboard to navigate to marketing, where the integration begins. Once you're in your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side. There, you'll see an option called Marketing. Click on it, and proceed to scroll down the menu until you find Store Integrations. Click on this, and a new set of options will appear. Here, you're aiming to locate the Shopify icon. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the Connect button right next to the Shopify logo. After clicking Connect, you will be prompted to enter your Shopify domain. Make sure you have your Shopify store's domain ready and at hand. Input your domain name and click Next. This step will initiate the process of linking the two platforms. You'll be automatically directed to Shopify's login page. Enter your login credentials to access your Shopify admin area. This step is critical, as you need Shopify's authentication to finalize the connection. Once logged into Shopify, a new page will appear asking for your confirmation to install the Teespring app. Click on the Install App button to proceed. It's important to understand that by installing the app, you're granting permission for Teespring to interact with your Shopify store. This includes listing products and managing orders, which means the integration will handle a fair amount of the back-end tasks for you. With the app installed, go back to Teespring and you'll find a message indicating that Teespring is now successfully connected to your Shopify store. Head over to your Teespring dashboard, and you should see a confirmation message celebrating the successful integration along with a few tips on how to get the most out of this connected experience. Now that everything is linked, your Teespring products will automatically sync with Shopify, appearing in your Shopify store's product section. A key tip to keep in mind is to regularly check both your Teespring and Shopify dashboards for any updates or potential sync issues to ensure that orders are processed smoothly. It's also beneficial to see how products appear on your Shopify store to confirm that everything is displayed properly. And there you have it. This connection now allows you to focus on creative and marketing efforts while Teespring and Shopify work seamlessly together on the operational side. I hope this guide has been helpful, and it sets a smooth path for you to efficiently manage your products and sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!